Over 60? Eat these 4 seeds every morning to boost your eyes and brain power. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning to realize your vision feels a little clearer, your mind a little sharper, and your energy more steady than it has been in years. Many people assume that walking into a room and forgetting why you were there or squinting at your phone is just a normal, inevitable part of getting older. But here is a shocking truth that 99% of seniors are never told. Your declining sight and memory are often not caused by aging itself, but by silent inflammation and a chronic shortage of essential building blocks that started decades ago. Research has shown that specific nutritional changes can reduce vision decline by a staggering 31% in just 90 days, and adhering to a brain-focused diet can make your cognitive age feel 7.5 years younger. Before we reveal the 4 specific nutritional powerhouses that can rewrite your health story, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to join our community of health-conscious seniors. Stick with us until the very end because I will be sharing a critical safety rule for preparation that determines whether these foods heal your body or cause a dangerous blockage. Let's dive into our first powerhouse seed that acts as natural armor for your retina. 1. Chia seeds, the internal hydration and shielding system. These tiny black and white seeds are far more than a decorative topping. They are one of the richest plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a specific type of omega-3 fatty acid that is foundational for the structural integrity of your retina. As you pass 70 or 80, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye becomes increasingly vulnerable to oxidative stress, which can lead to permanent vision loss if left unchecked. Chia seeds act as a biological buffer containing antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid that neutralize free radicals before they can damage your delicate ocular cells. Have you ever noticed that gritty, burning sensation in your eyes by late afternoon? That is often a sign of a thinning tear film, and the unique mucilaginous gel that chia seeds form when soaked can actually help reinforce your eye's natural moisture from the inside out. Beyond vision, these seeds are a masterclass in brain preservation because your brain is largely composed of fat and requires premium fuel like omega-3s to maintain the communication lines between neurons. What many people don't realize is that chia seeds are also a slow-release energy source. Their high fiber content helps stabilize blood sugar, which is critical because sharp spikes in glucose can damage the tiny blood vessels feeding both your eyes and your brain. A fascinating side benefit is their mineral profile, including magnesium and phosphorus, which play roles in nerve signaling and the function of the tiny muscles that control eye focus. To get the most value, you must avoid the dry seed trap that many seniors fall into. Because they can expand up to 12 times their size in liquid, eating them dry can lead to serious choking or esophageal blockages. The secret is to soak 1 tablespoon in water or milk overnight to create a hydrating gel that is easy for older digestive systems to process. This simple ritual ensures the nutrients are bioavailable while protecting your throat muscles, which naturally weaken with age. But while chia builds your internal shield, the next seed in our list is the one responsible for the lubrication that stops the itch and the blur. 2. Flax seeds, the macular guard and circulation booster. If you find yourself needing more light to read or struggling with the glare of oncoming headlights while driving, your macula might be signaling for help. Flax seeds are perhaps the most potent source of lignans, rare polyphenols that work specifically to reduce oxidative stress and maintain healthy circulation in the capillaries of the eye. Gram for gram, flax contains even more ALA than chia, providing a concentrated anti-inflammatory dose that fuels the photoreceptor cells responsible for seeing sharp outlines and vibrant colors. Many seniors report a 42% improvement in dry eye symptoms within just 30 days of including flax in their routine, as it helps prevent the protective moisture on the eye's surface from evaporating too quickly. The value of flax seeds extends deep into the brain through the gut-eye-brain axis. Their soluble fiber nourishes healthy gut bacteria, which in turn reduces inflammatory signals throughout your entire nervous system. This is particularly important for seniors over 90, as low-grade inflammation is a silent contributor to brain fog and slower thinking. There is a fascinating tip regarding flax that most people overlook. You should never eat them whole. The outer shell is so tough that it often passes through the digestive tract completely intact, meaning you get zero of the brain-boosting oils. Always use ground flax seeds and store them in the freezer to prevent the delicate omega-3s from going rancid, which can actually cause inflammation rather than curing it. For those of you watching, have you ever felt that your vision gets tired after only 20 minutes of reading? This is often a circulation issue, and flax helps by improving the flexibility of your blood vessels, ensuring a steady stream of oxygen reaches the retina. As we move forward, it is important to remember that while oils and fats are necessary, your eyes also require a specific gatekeeper mineral to function. The next seed on our list provides exactly that, acting as the transport system for your vision. 3. Pumpkin seeds, the gatekeeper for night vision and memory. Pumpkin seeds or pepitas are often underestimated, yet they contain high concentrations of zinc, a mineral that acts as a central transport vehicle. Zinc is responsible for moving vitamin A from your liver to your retina to produce melanin, the protective pigment that shields your eyes from UV damage and high-energy blue light. Without enough zinc, which is a common deficiency in those over 60, night vision and the ability to adjust to darkness begin to decline sharply. Think of zinc as the key that unlocks your eye's ability to process light correctly. In terms of brain power, pumpkin seeds provide a unique combination of protein and magnesium that supports emotional balance and mental steadiness. They're a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid the brain uses to produce neurotransmitters that regulate mood and sleep, both of which are foundational for memory consolidation in older age. Many seniors find that eating a small handful of these seeds in the morning provides steady energy without the crash that comes from sugary breakfasts, helping them stay mentally present during conversations throughout the day. A little-known fact about pumpkin seeds is their content of lutein, a carotenoid that accumulates specifically in the macula to act like natural sunglasses, filtering out the harmful light from televisions and smartphones. If you have noticed that colors seem a bit more washed out than they used to be, increasing your intake of zinc and lutein through pumpkin seeds can help restore that vibrancy. As we transition to our final nutritional powerhouse, consider this. Your eyes are an extension of your brain, and the next nut we will discuss provides the bodyguard antioxidant that protects both tissues from the rusting process of aging. 4. Sunflower seeds, the cellular bodyguards. Sunflower seeds are one of the premier sources of vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that is arguably the most important defender for eye health in those over 90. Vitamin E functions as a cellular bodyguard, neutralizing the free radicals that accumulate in your eye tissue from a lifetime of light exposure. Statistics suggest that individuals with higher levels of vitamin E in their diet have a significantly lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. A decade-long study even showed that those who consumed high vitamin E foods like sunflower seeds had a 25% lower risk of early-stage vision loss. For the brain, vitamin E is equally vital as it protects the fatty membranes of your neurons from oxidative damage, which is a primary driver of neurodegenerative decline. Sunflower seeds also contribute selenium, a trace mineral involved in the production of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant that helps maintain the clarity of your eye's lens and reduces the risk of cataracts. If you deal with light sensitivity or halos around lights at night, these seeds provide the micronutrients necessary to maintain lens resilience. A useful tip for seniors is to choose unsalted, shelled seeds to avoid unnecessary sodium, which can negatively affect blood pressure and, consequently, eye pressure. You can easily grind these into a meal or stir them into yogurt if chewing is difficult. Now, We have covered the what and the why, but if you don't follow the proper how, you might be wasting your efforts or even putting your health at risk. In summary, incorporating these 4 seeds and nuts, chia, flax, pumpkin, and sunflower, into your morning routine isn't just about eating. It is an act of self-respect that sends a signal to your body that it still matters. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss these life-changing tips. I must be honest with you, the tipping point of undernourishment is real. If you ignore these early signs of blurry vision and memory lapses, you aren't just getting old, you're letting your biological reserves run dry. Failing to provide your brain and eyes with these essential fats and minerals can lead to a rapid acceleration of decline, eventually costing you the independence and the clarity you've worked your whole life to maintain. Don't wait until the rest of oxidative stress becomes permanent. In our next discussion, we will explore a common healthy drink that many seniors consume every day, which might actually be secretly flushing these vital minerals out of your system. You won't want to miss that. Until then, treat your morning meal as sacred, and your body will respond with the resilience you deserve.